Zonal Head, Mr. Devadanam, and pride of this great institution, my fellow bankers. Initially, I pay my respects to the Honorable All India UCO Bank Employees Federation because it has been doing wonderfully good work for so many years now. It has given us such eminent and excellent directors who have melted their life into minutes for this great institution, and they are continuing to hoist this great institution's flag very high. I am also honored that the youth of this great organization is so hungry to learn that it has turned in such large numbers from across the country. Friends, I will start with a question. Yesterday was our Independence Day. There is a great relationship between our country and our bank. Our country's freedom movement leaders and our bank have a great relationship. Who can tell me? Anybody? Yes, please.
Also was done in the year 1969. So
that is very good. Anybody else? Which is in Pakistan, and we had hundreds of branches in our neighboring country called Bangladesh, which were nationalized, and they are still called as United Commercial Bank Bangladesh, and we had to change our name in 1985 to UCO Bank. So friends, this is a great institution. Yesterday from the ramparts of Lal Killa, our Prime Minister gave a clarion call for startups. To help people, young people to start their own industries. This bank, UCO Bank, was established for startups by Mahatma Gandhi. See, we are actually the original pioneers of these startups. There was a stage when foreign currency rates were asked from UCO Bank, and entire India used to adjust the rate of dollars, asking us. Now that job has gone to state. I would like to dedicate this moment to our great nation. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी लहू से नहाती नहीं आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन. This watan, our watan is what? Our watan is UCO Bank, our watan is UCO Employees Federation. Friends, all this is dedicated to you now. All of us will be retiring shortly. We have already retired. It is before you to take this great bank forward. Now, second question. Have you heard of radio? All of you are young people. Radio, anybody has seen nowadays radio? This mobile technology, television and all those things, LCDs. Where was the radio kept in younger days? Anybody can just tell me? In our house, where was... Friends, things have changed so much. Entire power has shifted to you people. You are the future of this country. What I want is that please activate those strong Antaranga energies which are bestowed in you, dedicated in you, decorated in you. Ignite them into a force and give the best in this world. Friends, this body is made of 5 elements. Sir, what are those 5 elements this body is made of? 5 elements are आग, हवा, पानी, आकाश और जमीन. Now you tell me, क्या किसी ने कभी आकाश को गिरे देखा कि I went in the morning I saw that आकाश was lying on the earth. Akash does not fall, no. It has no support, but sky is always there on up. This body is 90% water. If you see the flood and 5,000 families get washed away. So water is very strong. Morning when you get up, your mother makes breakfast for
some, beautiful fire. Then you go to, by coming to the office, you pray before Lord and, light a lamp in the honor of God. This fire, when it takes a bad shape, then all of a sudden it comes. This fire